आप कभी आई एम श्योर आप में से बहुत सारे लोग रोलर कोस्टर पर गए होंगे। गए हैं? हाँ, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा जोश हो जाए तो मज़ा आ जाएगा। वो फीलिंग होती है जब आप ऊपर जा रहे हो, राइट? वो फीलिंग होती है एक्साइटमेंट की, एंटिसिपेशन की। यू आर लिटिल फायर्ड अप कि यार क्या होने वाला है और जो भी होगा अच्छा ही होगा। वो फीलिंग होती है ना व्हेन यू आर गोइंग अप। एंड देन चढ़ते चढ़ते वो एंटिसिपेशन बढ़ती जाती है एंड यू फाइनली रीच द टॉप। एंड व्हेन यू ऑन द टॉप यू कैन सी द होल वर्ल्ड इन अ बर्ड आइज व्यू and you really feel like you're on the top of the world and you can conquer anything and you can do anything. And what was all that anticipation fear about? I'm on top of the world, nothing can go wrong. And all of a sudden आप नीचे धीरे धीरे जाने लगते हो. You slide and then you slip and then you just plummet. And when you're going down, you're trying to hold on to anything with your dear life कि यार रोको, ये descent रोको, मुझे वहां पर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. और फाइनली नीचे जाते, डरते, चीखते, चिल्लाते, पसीने छूटते हुए आप बॉटम पर पहुंच जाते हो. और जहां वहां पर बॉटम पर एक एक सेकंड, एक घंटा लगता है, आप ऊपर देखते हो और अब मैं वहां था और मुझे पता ही नहीं लगा कि मैं यहां कब पहुंच गया. एंड यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग सैड, यू स्टार्ट एनालाइजिंग, यू गेट नॉस्टैल्जिक अबाउट जब मैं वहां था. And you feel really low, depressed, and you question yourself कि क्या मैं फिर से कभी ऊपर जा सकूंगा? Will I ever be able to feel that happiness, that motivated, that amazingly free again? And while you're feeling that, some of us are lucky enough कि वो ऊपर की जर्नी फिर से शुरू हो जाती है और वो फिर से नीचे आ जाती है. ये रोलर कोस्टर जो जर्नी है माय फ्रेंड्स, ये मेरी एक्सपीरियंस है हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एज एन एक्टर. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है विशाल मल्होत्रा. मैं एक एक्टर हूँ, एक डायरेक्टर हूँ, एक प्रोड्यूसर हूँ, एक एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ, एक एनएफटी कॉनसोर हूँ और अब मैं एक पॉडकास्टर भी हूँ. 30 साल की ये जर्नी की ये उठाव चढ़ाव, ये अनस्टेबिलिटी, इट्स बिन वेरी वेरी चैलेंजिंग. बट यू नो व्हाट, इट्स सो इंपॉर्टेंट कि इस पूरे जर्नी में आप एक मिडिल लाइफ लाइन ढूंढ ले जो समवेयर इन द मिडिल रहे. एंड बिलीव मी, इस लाइफ लाइन को जब आप ढूंढ लोगे, होल्ड ऑन विद डियर लाइफ, बिकॉज दैट्स गोइंग टू बी योर ओनली लाइफ लाइन. इफ यू अलाउ योरसेल्फ टू गो इनटू दोज गैमेट्स ऑफ इमोशंस, all the mental health issues, all the depression, all the bad and the good, the highs are high, the lows are low, it'll just ruin you. But how did it all start? करीबन 30 साल पहले मैं अपने दोस्त के साथ, अनलाइक यॉल अमेजिंग स्टूडेंट्स, मैं क्लास बंक कर रहा था. और मैं बहुत फेमस दीवार है जो मैंने ही फेमस बनाई है बाय द वे, वहाँ पर बंक कर रहा था अपने दोस्त के साथ. हम लफंगेबाजी कर रहे थे, सैंडविच खा रहे थे और अचानक एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत लड़की हमारे तरफ आ रही थी. तो सबसे पहले रिएक्शन, आई एम श्योर आप नहीं जानते हो, बट मेरा रिएक्शन सबसे पहले जब कोई भी खूबसूरत लड़की मेरे पास आ रही है, वो रिएक्शन होता है बिकॉज इट कांट बी मी. बट इट वॉज. शी केम राइट अप टू मी, नॉट माई फ्रेंड, मी, एंड शी सेड कि वी आर लुकिंग फॉर द फेस ऑफ आवर चैनल एंड यू फिट द बिल. क्या आप ऑडिशन के लिए आओगे कल? बिना सोचे, not even this much time, I said, of course. What are you talking about? I'll be there. Yeah. And she takes out a pen and paper and writes down her number. Now this is going to reveal a bit of my age, लेकिन उस वक्त मोबाइल फोन्स नहीं हुआ करते थे, पेजर भी नहीं हुआ करते थे, तो लिखकर उन्होंने मुझे नंबर दे दिया, वो चली गई. मेरे दोस्त ने पूछा, यार विशाल, ये ऑडिशन क्या होता है? मैंने बोला, मुझे कैसे पता है यार, खूबसूरत लड़की का नंबर मिल गया, और क्या चाहिए तुझे? And that's how my journey began. Seriously. There's no intellectual story to this. I went the next day, I gave that audition, and I became the face of Disney in India for the next 10 years. And it was amazing. Life kept on going on. People started recognizing me. I don't come from a film background. I come from a business background. मैं जा रहा था पायलट बनने. That's my passion, by the way. और फिर serials like Hip Hip Hooray, जहाँ जॉन का कैरेक्टर बहुत ही famous हो गया. Lots of ad films. Ishq Vishk, Mambo, well, you know, some people tease me a lot even now about those things. Jannat, Kismat Connection, एक विवाह ऐसा भी. It just kept on going और 10 साल कैसे गुजर गए कुछ पता ही नहीं लगा. And for the first time उस 10 साल के बाद अचानक मुझे पहली बार 15 दिन का एक गैप मिला between two projects. उस वक्त मेरे अंदर एक छोटा विशाल रहता है, कलाकार, कभी इंटेलेक्ट, कभी बदमाश, लेकिन रहता है. But the first time he introduced himself to me and he said, "Oh Vishal." I said, "Yeah." यार तू क्या करता रहता है यार? जिंदगी भर यही घिसे पिटे रोल्स करता रहेगा क्या? Best friend, urban boy, fun. Why can't you explore yourself? You are an actor, right? And my argument with little Vishal was that, क्यों यार? Why should we fix something that isn't broken? Correct? पैसे अच्छे मिल रहे हैं. I'm at the top of my game. I'm getting offers left, right, and center. I've got 5 films lined up with the top production houses in this country. People will die to be in my position. Why should I leave this? But he persuaded me, that idiot. And I decided कि मैं अलग कैरेक्टर्स करना चाहता हूँ, अलग कैरेक्टर्स एक्सप्लोर करना चाहता हूँ. तो मैं अपने प्रोड्यूसर्स के पास गए, डायरेक्टर्स के पास गया. वो सेम प्रोड्यूसर्स और डायरेक्टर्स who love me and want to be my friend and want to hang out with me and pay me any amount of money just to block my dates and to be around. अचानक पहली बार उनके मुंह से मैंने ये 2 words सुने. Do you know what the word was? No. And from a small no, 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 and then silence. The phone stopped ringing. The successes started fading, and that was my first real tryst in my career with failure. But I didn't give up. I said, नहीं यार, ऐसे थोड़ी ना. And that's when my anchoring journey started. I got entertainment के लिए कुछ भी करेगा, like my pretty hostess just mentioned. IPL came my way, I hosted that. Cinestar की खोज, 1 minute, and lots of these things. And that started also doing very, very well. Thank you. Firstly, I'm extremely grateful for everything. And it started doing very, very well. But then, 5 to 6 to 7 years just went by just like that. And all of a sudden, लोग मुझे not as an actor, but अब as an anchor typecast कर रहे थे. हाँ, typecast, ये जो word है ना, ये एक बहुत ही posh और fancy Bombay term है, which is actually उसका real meaning है, आपको punish किया जा रहा है अच्छा job करने के लिए. आप इतने अच्छा job कर रहे हो कि हम आपको कुछ और देंगे नहीं, आप बस यही करो. Typecast. So I was typecasted as an actor, and now I'm typecasted as an anchor. And just when the ceiling was bursting again, कलाकार विशाल जो छोटा सा था, उसने बोला, "Hey, remember me?" I said, "Oh no, not again, yaar." I said, "What do you want now?" He said, "So what? Step back. 17 साल हो गए यार कैमरा के सामने. It is not new for you. It's normal for you. It should be beautiful. Do something else." I'm like, "What?" I won't tell you how I arrived at it. That's another story and another TEDx talk altogether. But then that's when my entrepreneurship journey started as a businessman. मैंने अपनी ad agency खोली, बहुत सारे ads बनाने लगा, और फिर you won't believe it, I started working with the biggest modern retail shops and chains in our country, Reliance Retail and all these guys. And you know मैं उन्हें क्या supply कर रहा था as a distributor? Tissue paper, all paper products. Face tissues, kitchen rolls, toilet rolls. I didn't know there are so many types of tissues. But I was doing it. And then all of a sudden, from an actor to an anchor to an entrepreneur to somebody who sells tissue papers, this journey started really interesting me and intriguing me and exciting me. And coincidentally, when I was an entrepreneur, I started getting that fire again to become an actor, to face the camera once again. Lesson number 1, everything happens for the best. Give it a little time. And just when things were about to grow up, I got the best role that I ever wanted. It was an out-and-out villain character. Me as a villain. That's exactly मैंने बोला यार, director साहब, are you sure? I mean, I don't want to rock the boat. I love this role, but me as an out-and-out psychopathic villain? He said, you know why? I said, why? He said, because nobody will suspect you. And I was so excited. It was a huge production house, and then bang, COVID happened. It affected all of us. And actually, we should take a moment to be so grateful कि हम यहाँ पर COVID के बारे में as a past बात कर रहे हैं. Many are not that fortunate, and I hope their souls are resting well and their families are well. तो COVID आ गया. COVID के वक्त जैसे आप सब कर रहे थे, मैं भी YouTube बहुत देख रहा था, and I chanced about something called NFTs. You all know what NFTs are? Non-fungible tokens. You know what excited me about NFTs is the fact that it gives the right back to the artist. Right? मैंने करीबन 25-30 films, maybe 20,000 hours of television and content create किया है, लेकिन किसी का भी right मेरे पास नहीं था. मेरा खुद का नाम मेरे पास नहीं था. As a matter of fact, इश्क विश्क जो मेरी film थी, Mambo, they made it again and they got another Mambo. So it was like, I didn't have the right. But this excited me. The right, the royalties. And that's why I dwelled into it. And I reached out on Twitter to the world and I said, any Indian artist who wants to collaborate with me, I want to make an NFT. And I was overwhelmed and thankful for the response. And thus, I became the first Indian actor to create an NFT and sell it. Once that happened, I started selling many NFTs. फिर कोविड खत्म हुआ और एक ऐसा दौर आया जब there was a threat or there was a rumor that India is going to ban cryptocurrency as a whole. So I was advised by my chartered accountant कि बेच दो जो भी आपने पैसे कमाए हैं क्योंकि वो तो सब क्रिप्टो में थे. टैक्स दे दो 32% and just get out of it. And I did it. और जो पैसे बचे ना जो इंडियन करेंसी में थे, it was a little bit of a change. Nice pocket change. I said, यार ये तो budget exactly मैंने एक कहानी लिखी है. It fits into that. And that's when I produced and directed my first feature film called Ilm, which released on Jio Hotstar. And that, ladies and gentlemen, became the world's first NFT-funded film. 100% NFT-funded film. Not only a grateful and a proud moment for me, but also imagine the world's first NFT film coming out of India. Right? And thus that happened. It allowed me to really excel in the world of production and direction. And I found my calling. And I started producing and directing lots of ads, and that continued. And once again, the little Kalakar in me, who I know is also irritating you now, wakes up for the third time and he said, I said, yaar, itna kuch to ho raha hai yaar, ab kya hai? I said, but, I said, okay, huge influence on me. So I said, okay, what to do? One day, like a lot of you guys do, I was chilling with my friends in a little room in my house, जो हम उसे den room कहते हैं, जहाँ पर हम बहुत बदमाशी करते हैं, TV देखते हैं, बहुत weird चीज़ें बात करते हैं. I hope nobody ever sees that footage. But एक मेरा बदमाश दोस्त है जिसने एक footage लिया जब मैं और मेरा एक बहुत ही करीबी दोस्त बात कर रहे थे. और बाद में एक दो दिन के बाद जब हमने वो footage देखी, हम इतना हंसने लगे, हमने बोला कि wow, this is amazing, imagine if the world could see it. And that's from where the idea of my podcast came out. I shooted in that den, it's called the Vishal Hour. And I've been so privileged that abhi करीबन 25-30 episodes होने को आए हैं. I launched it in September. And I've had the likes of Zakir Khan and Komal Nahata and Baman Irani and Imran Hashmi, and the list is just overwhelming, and it just goes not only to actors and entertainment industry, but Anil Singhvi, who's the head of business, Z Business. So there's finance, there's Abhijit Chavda, who's the geopolitical expert. So there's so much happening in that regard, and it allows me to get into my creative space again. Now, thank you for sitting here and listening to this whole journey, जहाँ पर मैं आपको, I'm sure you future CEOs of the world, मैं आपको अपना CV basically पेश कर रहा हूँ. But all I'm trying to say, and I hope that you get what I got, because this is one thing which is universal through all careers, all professions, and even life. Keep at it. Lage raho. Keep hustling. And one thing is very clear. The moment somebody says, you can't do this, that's when you get everything and get up and prove them wrong and do it. work with honesty, work with sincerity, and work towards your dream. Because that dream is all you are. Just imagine 200 साल पहले अगर किसी दो दोस्त बात कर रहे हैं और बोले imagine मेरा एक सपना है कि मैं एक वैक्यूम टिन में 300 लोगों को डालूंगा, 500 किलोमीटर एन आवर से ज़्यादा की स्पीड पे जाऊंगा और I can go across the world in 16 hours and I will do it at 32,000 feet and this will happen 10, 20,000 times a day. Nobody would have thought of an aeroplane. So think of the impossible. And just remember, guys, people think that failure is the opposite of success, when the truth is that failure is actually an integral part of success. So I'll just wrap this up by telling you that no matter how fancy any of this sounds, the absolute truth is I'm still that 17-year-old boy who only wants to entertain. Whether it's on TV, whether it's on any of the OTT platforms, whether it's on film, whether it's on a reality show, whether it's as a businessman, whether it's on a podcast, or whether it's right here on this amazing TEDx platform. I'm Vishal Malhotra, and I hope you guys got even a little bit entertained. Thank you very much.